Hello and welcome to Falls Green. Come on in. Today we're going to have a look at our one-bedroom apartment, 707 square foot of space with the option of hardwood flooring. Here we have the kitchen with cherry wood cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Next to the kitchen we have a coat closet with extra hanging space, as well as built-in shelves for extra storage. And here we have our comfortable dining area to enjoy all of your favorite meals. Here we have our spacious living room to enjoy a game night or watch your favorite TV show. Out here we have our large balcony which overlooks the courtyard. Next we'll check out the bedroom, which has a king-size bed and still plenty of walk-in space. You have a walk-in closet which allows you to get ready for a night out on the town in Washington, D.C. Within the bedroom, you're also going to have built-in washer-dryer, as well as large vanity section, oversized medicine cabinet, extra storage space. In the bathroom, you also have a shower with sliding glass doors. Oh, and remember, we're less than a mile away from East Falls Church Metro. Thank you for touring with us. For more information, please visit us at fallsgreen.com.